Hello, dear one. Welcome to Embodied Voyage. I am Claire, and in today's practice, we will be focusing on opening our heart. This practice can be used whenever you feel any tightness in your heart chakra or whenever you need a soft flow that invites you to open your heart. When you are ready, let's get started. So let's find the comfortable seated position, whatever works for you. Feel free to bring a cushion or a block under your glutes. Just make yourself comfortable. And start to allow your eyes to gently close or lower your gaze. And tune into your breath, observing the natural rhythm of your breath, the inhale and the exhale. And observe how it feels to be in your body right now. As we start to let go of the outside world and come to rest within the space of our body. Taking a couple of deep breaths here. And then sighing out. And another deep breath here. And sighing out. Feeling the earth supporting you. And slowly bring the hands to your heart center. And from this space, bring forward an intention for today's practice. What brought you here today on your mat? What is that your heart desires? And mentally, repeat your intention 3 times with feeling and awareness, feeling the intention vibrating throughout your whole body. And when you are ready, gently release your arms. Take a moment to touch the earth beneath you. To feel and create that feeling of safety within you. I am safe. Everything is as it should be. Feel the earth supporting you. Feel life supporting you. And as you inhale, take your arms up, palms to touch. As you exhale, gently twist towards the right. Left hand onto your right knee, right hand behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, twist a bit more. Remain present with your breath. Your breath is your guidance, your teacher. As you inhale, bring both arms back to center. And as you exhale, twist towards the other side. Right hand on your left knee, left hand behind you. Breathe here. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, twist a bit more. Inhaling, arms rise up. And as you exhale, gently release your hands. And again, touch the earth beneath you. I am safe. Coming up on all fours. So bringing the Hands under your shoulders and your knees are hip distance apart. Gaze down. As you inhale, start to gently arch the back, take your head up. And exhale, round your spine. Chin towards your chest. Inhaling, arch. And exhaling, round your spine. Navel towards the spine, chin towards the chest. Inhaling. And exhaling. Coming into a straight back. As you inhale, bring your right arm up. And as you exhale, slide the right under the left, shoulder down. Bring the right shoulder to the ground and your right ear towards the earth. You can extend the left arm forward, or if you want, you can take the left arm around and bind. On your next inhale breath, gently rise up, coming back on all fours. With the inhale, bring the left arm up, gaze up. And as you exhale, take the left under the right, shoulder down. Again, you can either extend the right arm, or you can bring the right arm around and bind. With your next inhale, rising up, back on all fours. As you inhale, arch the back, head up. And as you exhale, tuck your toes and find your downward facing dog. You can walk your hands slightly forward. Take your tailbone back, rooting down through the hands. Feel free to bend the knees if you need to. Keep the breath going. And taking your breath over to your heart center, your Anahata chakra, the space in between your breastbones. And start to gently find some movement by bending the knees one at a time and twisting. Moving slowly and gently through the space of your body. And finding our center, coming back to center. Slowly walk your feet, come to the front of your mat. Bow here, bring your hands onto your elbows, soften the knees, relax your head. And release whatever is creating rigidity, whatever is pulling you down. Slowly let go. And gently can move side to side. Just letting go, creating space. Releasing the arms as we rise up. One vertebrae at a time, chin towards your chest, head up last. Arms by your side, palms facing forward. Pause and breathe here, gazing ahead, and feel the earth supporting you. As you inhale, hands up. As you exhale, bow forward. Inhale as we gaze and lengthen. As you exhale, step your right leg back. Take a big step back. Make sure that your front knee is above your ankle. The back heel is above your toes, and we're imagining that we're back heel, we're pushing an invisible wall away. Pressing onto your front foot, we're rising up, inhaling into a high lunge. With the exhale, release, bring your hands behind you, interlace the fingers and press the palms of the hands together. Try to roll your shoulders back. On your next inhale, take your heart up towards the sky. Breathing. Try to press the palms of your hands together and create a bit of more space in your upper body. Taking the breath into our heart center. With your next inhale, release your hands, bring the arms up. And as we exhale, we're taking the back knee down. You can keep your toes tucked under, you can untuck your toes. Deep inhale here, and exhale, release your arms. We're bringing the hands into reverse prayer pose. Fingers to touch. If this feels too much, you can just grab your elbows and hold here. So just practice, as always, what works for your body. We are here to honor our body. Roll the shoulders back and bring your heart up towards the sky. And as you inhale, bring your arms up. And as you exhale, bring your right hand down and the left arm comes up. Breathe. Deep inhale here. You can hold here. If it's okay, grab your back foot. Take your left shoulder back and gaze up. And gently release. Lift your back knee and step forward. Uttanasana. Bowing here. Hands onto your elbows, soften the knees and relax, release a bit more. Release your arms, touch the earth, inhale, gaze and lengthen, look forward. As you exhale, step your left leg back. Press onto your front foot, make sure that your front knee is above your ankle, the back heel above your toes and rise up. We're inhaling, take your arms up, palms facing each other. As you exhale, bring your hands behind you and interlace the fingers. Press the palms of your hands together. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, gaze. Let's bring the heart up towards the sky. Breathing and taking the breath into our heart center. Try to find some openness. As you inhale, release the arms, take the arms up. And as you exhale, gently lower the back knee. Toes tucked or untucked, whatever works for you. With your next exhale, gently release the arms. And again, we're finding our reverse prayer pose. Either hands here or just rolling the shoulders back. Inhale and gaze, look up. And feel your hands as if they're pushing your heart forward towards life, to open up. Maybe to remove and release any stuckness that is present in your body. And just observe how that feels. Our body speaks to us. Take time to listen. Gently release your hands, inhaling, arms rise up. And as we exhale, we bring the left hand down, the right arm up. Twist, inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist a bit more. You can hold here, if it's okay, grab your back foot. Right shoulder back, chest opens and breathe. Finding space in our body. Breathing deeper into those spaces that feel tight. And gently release your leg. And we're stepping forward, Uttanasana. Bowing here, soften the knees, grab your elbows and gently relax here.
And gently move side to side, and again, see if it's possible to let go a bit more, to surrender, to create more space for new energy to enter your body. Releasing the arms, come to touch the earth, soften the knees if you need to. Chin towards the chest, we are rising up one vertebrae at a time. Head up last. Arms by our side, palms facing forward. Breathing here, and again gaze forward, finding a drishti. Feel the earth beneath you. With the inhale, bring the arms up, hands to touch. As we exhale, we are bowing forward. Inhale as we gaze and lengthen. Exhale, we're coming into a plank. Take one leg back at a time. Take the knees down to the ground, and we are sitting back onto the heels, coming in Vajrasana. We're bringing the hands to the heart. With the inhale, we are opening up, rolling the shoulders back. Gaze up. Hold here a bit. Hold here a bit more, a bit longer. Linger here and feel into your body. Feel if there is any tightness in your heart, what is asking you to be released, and if it's okay for you to let go of that. And then as you exhale, gently sit back and come with your hands back to your heart. Taking a moment to pause here. With the inhale, we are rising up. And again, opening up, finding space. Maybe a bit more. Maybe it's okay to spread the arms a bit more and bring the palms to face up. Opening to life. And then as you exhale, gently lower down and bringing the hands towards your heart and honor your body here. Last breath, inhaling. Breathing and maybe sighing out. And exhale, bringing the hands to the heart. Slowly release your arms and gently bow forward. And just allow your forehead to touch the earth, surrendering here. Creating and finding more space, relaxing your body a bit more, spreading your shoulders. And also feel into how the earth supports your body. You can stay here as long as it feels good for you. You can also lie down in Shavasana. And thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.